Hi, I am Christine. I have ASMA agency, placement services, servant and patient care that we are looking for the people that the employer can give the patient's care. What patient care is patient care, and also we are providing for the japa maid, that newborn baby, and we have a maid as from the Calcutta, Assamese, Darjeeling, Bengali, and Maharashtra. This kind of thing to looking after the teenager and the toddler also from the maid we also provide, and also the other things is a cook. Also we have a provide Indian normal cooking, and also other things. There is a girls also we can provide for the housekeeping, 24 hours in and out, but 24 hours we can stay also. And other things we provide the office boy for the cleaning the staff, house cleaning matters, and the other kind of things. We have a very great experience with the drivers also, drivers. So with the new drivers with the license and the new experience, also that kind of things we provide. The other things is the baby care for the teenager, toddlers. We provide for that for the all kind of cities called Calcutta, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Bengalis, Maharashtrians, Hindi, Assamese, the ladies from the Darjeeling. Our services can provide you. So please let us know if you are looking for the great opportunity we will give you from the ASMA agency. We hope you like this our conversations. Thank you very much.